Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about Google Chat, and I would like to show you the way how to make calls in Google Chat application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Chat application, and after that you just need to decide who you want to call. For example, I would like to call my friends here, and to do call you just need to take a look on this upper right corner, upper right corner over here. There will be two buttons. This one is camera icon and this one is a magnifier icon. And after that you just need to go click this camera, and then you just need to go click this chat audio, and your Google Chat will be start to do calls to your friends. And now the Google Chat is start calling your friends, and that's the way how to make calls in a Google Chat application. So hopefully this tutorial today is very useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.